Gone are the days when throwing up a rudimentary website was enough for an attorney who decided to hang out his or her shingle. Blogging, social media, and AI have made of legal marketing a brave new world. I'm Jeff M. Brown, legal writer with the State Bar of Wisconsin. I'm here today to talk with Lindsay Marty, owner of Above the Bar Marketing, a Madison-based company that helps lawyers with marketing. Ms. Marty is scheduled to be part of a panel discussion on business analytics during the State Bar's annual Solo and Small Firm Conference, which will be held October 19 through 21 at the Kalahari Resort in Wisconsin Dells. You can register for the conference by clicking the link in the video summary below. Welcome, Lindsay. Thanks for being here today.
Thank you.
What role do business analytics play in growing a law practice?
Business analytics can, vary greatly in terms of the different types of, marketing that you're doing with the firm. In terms of digital, there's really two different ways to look at your business analytics. One is the very analytical way in tracking your return on investment, and there's lots of new technology that's available, now to track the source of every single call and lead, and working with someone internally at the firm to make sure that you're, really looking at all of that data and what leads are coming into the firm and tracking the, what source brought them in so that you can make good decisions on your marketing. That's a big, role that we play with our clients. There's, Google Analytics. Google Analytics 4 now provides so much information, in-depth detail on, the analytics of the actual website, but then taking a deep dive into, how those are converting into, leads for the firm to bring a return on investment is extremely important. And there's really two different types of marketing that, that come into play when you're looking at analytics. One is, your branding and SEO and social media and all of those factors. And that's a lot harder to track how it is bringing in return on investment, because those things take a lot of time to, curate and to become really successful. And it's harder to track over time who saw your Facebook post or, remembered something memorable about your content and then decided to call 2 years later. And then there's what we call in the industry light switch techniques, which are, Google ads, local service ads, legal directories. And those, essentially you turn the light switch on and the leads will come. And those are, obviously very easy to track with landing pages, tracking numbers, form tracking. And so there's, analytics with both that you can look at, but some of them are more, straightforward, versus some of the, branding and how that plays over time.
Great. Well, you answered a big part of my second question there. I was going to say, ask you, can you give me one or two examples of important business analytics? And you mentioned a number there. I just wanted to drill down on one of those. What is SEO for those of us who maybe don't know?
That's a very good question. Yes, sorry, there's lots of acronyms in marketing that sometimes I have to remember to take a step back and explain. SEO is search engine optimization. And that's really, just a really easy way to explain it to somebody who doesn't know what it is it's the ability for your website to show up in search. So there's lots of things on the back end of the site, content being added to the site on a regular basis. There's a number of things that contribute to the ability for Google to crawl through your site and pull you up for searches.
Gotcha. Thank you. What are some common misconceptions that attorneys have about business analytics?
I don't know if it's a misconception. I think that, attorneys their job is to practice law and to be there for their clients. And I think that some of the business savvy attorneys who take the time to learn marketing and analytics and SEO on their how that all plays into getting more clients. They understand it, but for the majority of our clients, it's really it's not something that they know right away, especially when they're just hanging out a shingle. So just what we do at Above the Bar is really teach our clients how to track their return on investment and how to do it in a way that they can pinpoint what's working and what's not working, so they're not spending money in a bunch of different marketing channels that aren't working. And so I don't know if it's a misconception, but more just educating, especially our clients on how to do that effectively.
Great. Well, again, Lindsay Marty, thank you for the time today. I look forward to seeing you at the Solo and Small Firm Conference in October, and look forward to the panel on business analytics for lawyers and law firms.
I look forward to it as well. Thank you.